Hello, Laura here, one of the salespeople at SkipperBud's, and we are at Marblehead, Ohio, looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a beautiful 2018 Four Winds 210H. It comes with the tandem axle trailer with the spare tire and the swing tongue on the front. Makes it really easy to get in a garage or just nice for storage. This is stock number B22489. This would be a great starter boat for a family or, someone who wants to get out on the water, wants something that's a nice trailerable size. If you're looking for something very gently used. There is a little ding on the side there, which I think would be easy to get out. And we can see we have the nice big swim platform. I love the rail at the back too, makes it easy to get on and off the boat. Another little ding there, but again, we are a full service marina, so we would be able to fix something like that. The bottom has never been painted and it's never really been kept in the water. It's been trailered in and out of the water for most of its use, and it's been used only on inland lakes in Ohio. Nice boarding ladder at the side. We've got the upgraded sound system on this boat, and we've got some versatile seating on the back, so we can have this backrest come up in a couple different positions, which makes it nice for hanging out at the beach or watching the kids play, just kind of soaking up the sun. It's a very nice layout on the back, and then we can see we have storage below. Nice walk through on the side with storage below as well. And we've got controls for the radio on the swim platform, as well as we've got a trim indicator, or not trim indicator, but we've got our trim controls for our outdrive. Nice drained locker. And then we've got storage pretty much underneath all of the seats. Lots of room there for life jackets and stuff. This seat will flip back and forth. We are a Four Winds dealer here at our marina. They are one of my favorite brands. Four Winds has been around since 1962, and they're still making boats in Cadillac, Michigan. I think this is just an awesome option if you want something sporty and fun that's gently used. I would definitely consider this boat. I love the details. So this one has the white and the dune, that tan color interior, and it's got this nice chocolate accent. There's no rips or tears in the upholstery. And for a 21-foot boat, there's a lot of storage on this boat. We've got a nice place for our anchor at the front. Nice stainless steel pop-up cleats. We've got a nice walkthrough with a very sturdy magnet on this windshield, so it holds it in place very well. We have very sturdy, good quality materials on this boat. We can see the stainless steel rail to hold on to. Good placement, underway in the water. You're going to feel very secure and safe in this boat. This has the nice woven snap-in carpet, which is very easy to clean. It's nice because it keeps your feet nice and cool. And in the center, we have a huge center locker great place to put skis or water toys. Nice flip up bolsters. This has accent lighting inside. Nice placement there to put your cell phone. All the gauges and everything well laid out. If you'd like more information on this boat, give us a call. We'd love to help get you on the water.